morning everyone, welcome to my new video. So as you all know that I am in Kenya. Although the Kenya is so beautiful, but still I miss India so much and I'm really pumped to get back. Back to the topic. So last week I went to Kit Mikayi, a place in Kenya, a tourist place. So I got some cool footages and I thought like why not to share with you. So hey, Pastor Ajay, yeah, take over the vlog. That's Kit Mikayi. Alright, so the meaning of Kit Mikayi is that Kit means stone and Mikayi means first wife. Damn, this is dusty. I have to fix this soon. Alright, so I hope you like the B-roll sequence, although I love B-roll sequence. And so right now I am going to a mall known as Mega Plaza. So let's go. So here I am in the parking of the Mega Plaza. This is the P3 floor and I come here at this place so much just because of one thing. Let me show you. Look at that view. So that is the Lake Victoria over there, the mountains and like sunset just right there from there.